Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
What do you do when you're going through a bad phase? Or या घर या workplace में something bad has happened? Do you rush to your phone and open a shopping app to lift your mood? Do you order the chocolate brownie? Do you uncork a bottle? Is there a feel-good movie that you turn to every time you feel low? Have you ever thought that these are probably your own personal coping mechanisms? ये coping mechanisms क्या होते हैं? Coping is defined as the thoughts and behaviors mobilized to manage internal and external stressful situations. It is a term used distinctively for conscious and voluntary mobilization of acts different from defense mechanisms that are subconscious or unconscious. Adaptive responses, both of which aim to reduce or tolerate stress. When individuals are subjected to a stressor, जो उनसे डील करने का तरीका होता है, उन्हें हम coping mechanism या coping styles बोलते हैं. They are a set of relatively stable traits that determine the individual's behavioral response to stress. Generally, coping is divided into reactive coping, which is a reaction following the stressor, and proactive coping, which aims to neutralize future stressors. Proactive coping में आप plan कर सकते हो पहले से about how you're going to cope with emotions that have previously caused you to give in to a stressor. You might prepare a mantra that you will repeat to yourself when you're tempted to give in to that stressor. Coping को 4 broad categories में डाला गया है. Problem focused, which addresses the problem causing the distress. Emotion focused, which aims to reduce the negative emotions associated with the stressor. Examples of this style include positive reframing, acceptance, and humor. Meaning focused, in which an individual uses cognitive strategies to derive and manage the meaning of the situation. Social coping या support seeking, in which an individual reduces stress by seeking emotional or instrumental support from their community. There is no one way to cope, but हाँ, healthy और unhealthy type के coping mechanisms ज़रूर होते हैं. अगर हम healthy mechanisms की बात करें, let me give you a personal example. When I was going through a particularly difficult breakup at some point, I would often listen to the song सूरज की बाहों में from ज़िंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, and somehow I would get some incentive to deal with the anxiety I was experiencing back then. Songs are one way, here are more. Cleaning the house or maybe just a room or table or a closet. Coloring, cooking a meal, doing yoga, exercise or taking a walk, drinking tea, gardening, looking at pictures to remind you of the people, places and things that bring joy. Meditation. Sometimes even putting on a lotion that smells good or taking a long bath helps. Reading a book, taking care of your body that makes you feel good. Painting your nails, doing your hair, putting on a face mask. हालांकि किसी के भी coping style को mock करना गलत होगा, क्योंकि it is helping them deal with a stressor. There are, however, unhealthy coping mechanisms, and I'm going to discuss a few. Drinking alcohol or using drugs. Substances may temporarily numb your pain, but they won't resolve your issues. In fact, इसके वजह से आपके लाइफ में और स्ट्रेस आ सकता है. Alcohol, for example, is a depressant that can make you feel worse. Overeating. खाना अक्सर लोगों का first and most popular coping strategy होता है, but trying to stuff your feelings with food can lead to an unhealthy relationship with food and weight issues. Sleeping too much. Whether you take a nap when you are stressed out or you sleep late to avoid facing the day, sleeping offers a temporary escape from your problem. लेकिन जब आप जग जाओगे, the problems will still be there. Overspending. While many people say that they enjoy retail therapy as a way to feel better, बहुत ज़्यादा shopping करना भी unhealthy हो सकता है. Also, spending more than you can afford will backfire in the end and cause more stress. Thank you for watching this episode of Mind Over Matter. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक और शेयर करें और हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. हमें हमारे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पे भी फॉलो करें. थैंक यू.